In this video, I have compiled a list of the top 5 best masticating juicers in the market that are worth buying. So let's get started. Number 5. If you are looking for a budget-friendly masticating juicer, then the Omega VSJ843QS Vertical Slow Masticating Juicer is the best choice for you. With a 15 years warranty, this juicer provides the most extended warranty among all the juicers already discussed. The 150-watt motor rotates at a 43 revolution per minute speed, which makes the juice extraction slower but effectively increases the juice extraction. It comes with an improved strainer and dual blade as compared to its previous models. The strainer is tighter and gives a smooth texture to the juice. This vertical juicer's height is 15.5 inches, which can create difficulty for some of you to place it in between a countertop and cabinets. However, with a smaller footprint, you can place it even on a smaller kitchen top. It weighs around 22 pounds, due to which it may seem to be quite heavy for some of you. However, looking at the bright side, you'll find that it's one of the most durable and premium quality juicers among the competitive models. It can extract juice from soft products like apple, orange, and celery and hard products and leafy greens. The Omega VSJ843QS can extract yield from wheatgrass, however, it is less than a third of the original product. The jug capacity is around 32 ounces, and so is the ability of the pulp container. Number 4. If you are looking for a high-tech yet modern masticating juicer, then the Tribus F5050 Greenster Elite Cold Press Complete Masticating Slow Juicer is an apt choice for you. It's one of the best slow juicers with its well-defined triple extraction operations comprising crushing, mixing, and clamping. All the gears are magnetic, which is a unique feature in Tribus as compared to the rest of the competitive juicers. With its 2 accelerators working together, it can extract more content from different kinds of products. Let's discuss its twin gear technology in more depth to have a better understanding of its functionality. These double gears, made with stainless steel, allow it to crush the fruits and vegetables to produce the first yield. The acceleration system processes the products by breaking down the cell membrane to extract the second yield. Thirdly, enormous pressure is applied to the crushed product for the third and final yield. This triple system is a relatively slower process, thus minimizes the chances of oxidation of significant nutrients. The bioceramic material creates a magnetic field inside to rearrange the water clusters to contain more nutrients, vitamins, and other minerals. Furthermore, the kinetic energy of the gears reduces the oxidation process, allowing you to store fresh juice in the refrigerator for the next 72 hours. Even with 3 steps of the juice extraction process, it works at the lowest speed of 110 revolutions per minute. Number 3. The Flagship model by Hurum is a pleasure to look at thanks to its clean lines and stylish finishes, but it also performs beautifully. With a speed of just 43 revolutions per minute, this slow process ensures that your juice retains its nutrients and squeezes every drop from fruits and vegetables. You can tell by the dryness of the resulting pulp, and our tester's pulp was barely damp, so she knew she was getting as much juice as possible. This juicer is also incredibly quiet during operation, great for early mornings when the rest of the household is yet awake, and fairly versatile, allowing you to make traditional juices as well as various nut milks and tofu. The machine features 2 separate strainers that let you select the amount of pulp you prefer. Hurum's footprint is fairly small, with a base that measures just 9 inches wide and has a modern silhouette that looks great sitting on the counter when not in use. Though this model is on the pricier end, it delivers a quiet, efficient juicing experience, and the motor has a generous 10-year warranty. The only real qualms our tester had with this product were that there were a bunch of included accessories to store, some more useful than others, and many parts to wash after use. While the cleaning process itself isn't particularly difficult, it does have a lot of small spaces that need attention, which is why it comes with both small and large bristle brushes. The parts are not dishwasher safe and should not be cleaned with hot water or harsh abrasive cleaners. Number 2. A 2-in-1 Masticating Juicer and Mincer. The Tribus Slowster Vertical Slow Juicer and Mincer is a good choice for those who want a mincing attachment to make sorbet, minced meat, nut butters, and more. This appliance comes complete with a homogenizing attachment that makes it easy to blend ingredients together to make smooth nut butters and sorbets. Users raved about how easy it is to assemble the juicer and get started with its various functions. It is also very simple to clean it, as all you need to do is pour water into the auger housing and turn on the juicer for a pre-rinse that gets most of the pulp out. This is one of the quietest juicers on the market, and also one of the slowest. The 200-watt motor gives you a lot of crushing power, but because the auger is one of the slowest we've seen in a juicer, the appliance doesn't generate a lot of noise. The convenient hand grip makes it easy to move the juicer around, and both the housing and the casing are BPA-free. Some users mentioned that the chute isn't too wide, which means that you need to spend a bit more time prepping the produce before you get your juice. Customer service from Tribus got lots of praise from reviewers who mentioned quick replies and fast solutions to any issues. Number 1. Considered by many to be the best Omega masticating juicer, the Omega NC900 HDC is a great choice if you're looking for an appliance that is durable and reliable while sporting an efficient design. Its main selling points include the wide feeder chute and stainless steel exterior, and most users appreciate that it can chop through both hard and soft produce effortlessly. This Omega juicer feels solidly built and is not very heavy at just 13 pounds, which means you can store it easily. This may come in handy as this is a horizontal juicer, which occupies more space on the counter than horizontal ones. Because it's a dual-stage slow juicer, the Omega NC900 HDC delivers drier pulp and a better juice yield than competing models. Most users were impressed with how dry the pulp was after juicing. Users also raved about how easy it is to clean this juicer, with disassembly taking just under a minute. Even though most of the removable parts are dishwasher friendly, you'll find it very safe and easy to clean them by hand, too. When it comes to the level of noise, users found out that this is one of the quietest models out there, and you can use it in the morning without waking up everyone in the house. Finally, the existence of a reverse button makes this juicer a great choice for those who juice a lot of fibrous produce, as it allows the juice to flow without many blockages. Thanks for watching, guys. That's all for now. I hope you guys liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Hope to see you guys in the next video.